them, you called them, you shared them the designs, trending designs, where you assured them of giving more orders, right? And you uploaded the catalogs, and yeah, it's obvious that they also start getting the orders.
Yes.
So, and then you were talking about something that 50 suppliers and then coming to 10 suppliers. Like, what was this? Like, what happened?
Vikram, you know, like temporary did supply, like they
Yeah, yeah,
already decided to stop their business with
business.
Meesho because of some big issue, double discounting issue. So
Okay,
I'm the key account manager. I don't have that much of access to resolve all the issues. My
exactly.
category manager
Agreed.
has, but
Agreed. Hmm.
my category manager has like, but this supplier is not necessary for us because they are getting usually 30 or 40 orders. So I
Correct.
basically focus on those supplier who is dealing with like huge kind of brands and huge kind of categories. So
Okay, okay,
I
okay. So
convince
like, yeah,
those
yeah.
supplier, I afford on those supplier only.
Okay, so you like you filtered out the supplier list with basis on the orders, something, right?
Yeah.
Orders only, and who is doing well, who is getting the orders only. You spoke to them because others will be not helping them. It's just the time pass where you're not helping them, the suppliers.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
and yeah, that I want to tell you this, Sachin, that suppose if someone asks you or some interviewer asks you that what is that one thing you did out of the box, so you need to explain the best of best instance happened with you, which really helped the category,
Uh,
which really brought that change in terms of you doing something. It might have literally done by you. It might have literally changed the catalog category growing in terms of growth, in terms of getting orders, or in terms of growing supplier, anything. So yeah, you send that trending design to all those suppliers, you got them, you listed them, and yeah, it
uh,
happened that you uploaded highest number of catalogs, right? That
yeah.
particular month, and
So I
yeah.
prepare all the details and present in front of my category manager. So
Mhm.
she is very happy because I'm the first employee in men's category who uploaded this much of catalog in shirt SS cat. So
Awesome,
that's the
awesome.
reason I receive appreciation because appreciation will boost you. Like I feel
Yeah, yeah,
because
exactly.
it's
Appreciation helps to do more and more and
yeah.
more. Yeah, yeah.
So
Go
I
ahead.
feel like it's a best opportunity to do some more work for category and I it's like अंदर से आने लगा.
Got it, man. Got it, man. Yeah, yeah. Like until unless you get that inner boost to do something, you won't be like the work would be like just like going there, going to the job and doing something and coming back. But if you're getting some appreciation, if you're getting some acknowledgement by your manager or by supplier, then you tend to do some real work. You start putting that effort and do something really very more.
Yes,
So
I feel.
yeah, Sachin. So that was like 3 to 4 questions which I had,
Yeah,
where it will add value to all others if they are watching. How
yeah,
to prepare for e-commerce interview, and I questioned all those questions were telling you what actually you did, what was your negotiation skills, how did you communicated that with your vendor, and the things which
yes,
you did without acknowledging your manager, without telling them and going out of the box, showing that leadership, showing that ownership, and getting things done. So Sachin, do you have any advice for uh, all other mm, people who are also laid off by their job? Is there any advice for from you?
I feel Vikram, some of the employees are like thinking preparation is not necessary for any interview. Like I
Yeah,
feel
yeah, Harsh. Yeah, Harsh. So there are people
yeah.
joining now. Yeah, yeah. Go ahead, Sachin.
No, I feel like interview is very necessary for and no, sorry, preparation is very necessary for all the interviews. Like whichever you like had
Correct,
with
correct.
any.
Preparation is the key. Until unless you
Because practice make man perfect, then only you achieve anything in your life. I feel
got it,
so. Because
got
of
it.
this, I feel I am thanking you to like go live with me to
My pleasure, man.
like
My
give me
pleasure.
like
Because
it's
I feel that, sorry to interrupt you. I feel
yeah
that
okay.
what happens though when there is some crisis. I personally feel I had experienced this that We lost you, Sachin. Sachin, can you hear me? Hey Harsh, he will join. He will join. Sachin will join in next 2 minutes. Hey, hi. I think
Hi, what
that
happened, bro? What happened?
no, there is something happening with you. There's some network issue, I guess. Everything is fine here.
No, I don't think so. My network is full right now. Like,
Full. Okay. So coming to what I was telling is, I
yeah.
feel that we require some boost when we are laid off from any of the organization. It happens that we like the confidence is very low in terms of the preparation. Yes, you prepare, and we are literally looking for some job at this point of the time where we literally need
Yeah.
a job, where we literally want to get in some of the other organization because there are too much dependency. We have that habit of getting salary every month, and if it is stopped, it really hampers our mind.
Harsh is asking something to with you. I think so. I
Uh,
want to be a part of this video. So,
is I don't think so. Three people can go live, Harsh. Harsh, I will be doing
uh,
another session with you, helping others on building how to build a body
uh,
and how to grow yourself. So that
yeah.
let be prepared for this one.